Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling precise inputs: date of birth, exact time, and birthplace. Once done, pick a reputable online Kundali site or app. Paid services usually give more accurate divisional charts. Make sure to review sample charts and a simple privacy check because personal birth data is sensitive. Entering approximate times skews results, so if unsure, estimate and note it. Now proceed to the chart creation page and prepare to input each field carefully. You now enter the data. Type the DOB and birth time exactly, select time zone or let the site detect it automatically. This prevents hour errors. Next, choose INAMSA and house system, choose whole sign for simplicity or Placidus for Western compatibility, and pick your desired chart types like natal, divisional, or transit charts. Once options are set, review them. Small toggles change planetary positions. If you need advanced analysis, enable detailed divisional charts or Varga charts before generating the result. You generate the Kundali and immediately verify it by checking key markers: ascendant sign, sun and moon signs, and major planetary houses. Once satisfied, download the PDF or save screenshots and store the exact input values so you can reproduce or correct them later. If numbers look off, make sure to recheck time zone and daylight saving settings or try a different INAMSA. These are the most common causes of errors. If problems persist, contact customer support with your saved input.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.